Good morning, student. In previous lecture, we are studying about the exercise 4B. So, today we are going to start a new question, which is question number 10. See the question number 10. A dealer suffers a loss of 10% by selling an article for 2,520 rupees. At what price should he sell it to make a profit of 4%? Here is given that a dealer suffers a loss of 10% by selling an article of 2,520 rupees. Here is given loss percent equals to 10 and selling price of an article is 2,520. And here is find out at what price should he sell it to make a profit of 4%. Here is we want to make a profit of 4%, then what will be the selling price? Okay, so first we find the CP. Okay, so here is given in the first case given loss percent equals to 10 and selling prices what? 2,500. Okay, 2,520 rupees. Let the CP be X. Okay, so loss percent equals to, and we know that loss percent equals to what? Loss upon CP into 100. Okay, so here is given loss percent equals to 10. So here is 10. Okay, we put 10. Loss, we don't know loss, and here we take CPB X. So here is X. Okay, and 100. So 0 is cancel out this 0. After solving the question, loss equals to X upon 10, and we know that loss equals to CP minus SP. This is the formula. We know that loss equals to CP of SP minus SP. This is the formula of loss. So loss, here is loss is what? Loss is what? This is equation number 1. Loss is X upon 10. So here is X upon 10 and CP be X. Here we take the CP be X. So here is X and SP is 2,520 rupees. So here we put SP equals to 2,520 rupees. So after solving this equation, we get X equals to rupees 2,800 rupees. That means the cost price of article is 2,800 rupees. Okay. In the second case, given profit percent equals to 8, and this is the cost price. Cost price of article is same in first question and second question, but here is given the profit. The man want to make profit 4%. So how at what price he sell the article? So here is CP equals to 2,800 rupees, but we know that profit percent equals to profit upon CP into 100. So put the values. Profit percent equals to 4 and CP equals to 2,800. Profit percent equals to 4. Profit, I don't know profit how much, but CP equals to 2,800 rupees into 100. This 0 is cancel out this 0. Okay, so profit equals to, after multiplying, we get 112 rupees. That means here is the profit of an article is in rupees 112. So selling price of an article is profit plus CP, and because we know that selling price equals to profit plus CP in the profit. Okay, so profit is 112 and CP is 2,800 rupees. So SP equals to 2,912. This is the required answer. Next question, question number 11. See the question number 11. If a shopkeeper sells some plastic chairs, see here is written, if a shopkeeper sells some plastic chairs for rupees 1,296, he will make a profit of 8%. Okay, but he sells them at loss of 5%. What is his selling price? in first case, here is two cases, okay. In first case, if a shopkeeper sells some plastic chairs for 1296, that means here is given selling price of plastic chairs 1296, and when he sells, the shopkeeper sells at this money, then the profit will be 8%, but he sells यहाँ पर हमें नहीं पता है कि वो कितने इन सेकेंड केस में हमें नहीं पता कि वो कितने पर सेल करे कि उसे जो मिल रहा है लॉस हो जा रहा है 5% का, तो वही हमें सेलिंग प्राइस पता करना है। तो सबसे पहले हम कॉस्ट प्राइस पता करेंगे, क्योंकि कोई भी चीज़ प्रॉफिट और लॉस परसेंटेज दिया हो तो हमें सेलिंग प्राइस कॉस्ट प्राइस पता करना पड़ेगा। तो देखो क्या है, इन फर्स्ट केस शॉपकीपर सेल्स सम प्लास्टिक चेयर्स at rupees 1296, okay, and profit percent 8, okay, profit percent is given 8, so let CP be X. We know that profit percent equals to profit upon CP into 100. Profit is not given, but profit percent equals to 8, so here we put 8 into 100. After solving this equation, we get profit equals to 2x upon 25. This is equation number 1, and we know that profit equals to SP minus CP, okay, SP minus CP. So here is given SP is 1296, so CP, and we let CP equals to X, so put the value of CP and SP, and profit equals to 2x upon 25, so here is 2x upon 25, and SP is 1296 minus x, okay, then minus x come in this side, then become plus x, okay. After solving this equation, we get 27x upon 25 equals to 1296, okay. So x equals to 1296 into this, multiply in this side, here we doing cross multiplication, so 25 multiply by 1296 and 227 upon 1, so 27 into 1, so see 27 48, okay. X equals to 48 into 25. After multiplying, we get rupees 1200 rupees, okay. X, the value of X, that means the cost price of plastic chairs are 1200 रुपीज़। यहाँ पर कॉस्ट प्राइस हमने निकाल लिया, कितना हुआ 1200 रुपये। इन द सेकेंड केस लॉस परसेंट इक्वल्स टू 5 and CP is 1200 rupees, okay. We know that loss percent, here is given loss, so here we write loss percent equals to loss upon CP into 100, okay. So this is given 5 and loss and CP 1200 rupees into 100, so loss equals to 0 cancel and 12 5s are 60, so loss equals to 60 rupees, okay. So the selling price is, and we know that selling price, so the selling price is, okay, selling price हमें पता करना है कितनी पे वो बेचे कि उसे 60 का लेस हो जाए। हम क्या जानते हैं, लॉस इक्वल्स टू SP माइनस CP, ओके, लॉस इक्वल्स टू CP माइनस SP, loss equals to CP minus SP, and we want to find the SP, so here we put loss is 60 and CP will be 1200, so here we put the value of CP loss, so after solving we get SP equals to 1140 rupees. This is the required answer. That means the selling price of plastic chairs are what, 1140 rupees. If the shopkeeper got loss percent how much, 5, so the selling price equals is 1140 rupees. Understood? The next question is, a man makes a profit of 20% by selling sweets for 960 rupees, okay. What will be his profit or loss percent if he sells them for rupees 840? rupees. Here is given the profit percent. The profit percent is 20 by selling sweet. At what selling price? Selling price 960. Then the man get to how much profit? 20% profit. Okay. So first in the first case we find the CP. Then see. In the case first, profit percent equals to 20 and selling price is 960. Okay. Let CP be X. Profit percent equals to profit upon CP into 100. Here is profit percent equals to 20. Profit is not given, so profit equals to profit. Okay. And here is we let CP be X. So here we put CP equals to X. Okay. And here is 100. So this 0 is cancelled from this 0. So profit equals to 2x upon 10. After solving this equation, 2 5s are 10. We get x upon 5. Okay. So profit, and but we know that profit equals to SP minus CP. Okay. So here we put the value of profit, SP and CP. CP will be x. Okay. Because we let the CP will be x. Okay. SP is given 960. So here we put rupees 960 and profit will be x upon 5. Okay. So here is x upon 5. After solving this equation, we get x equals to 800 rupees. 800 rupees. Okay. So the CP of sweets is 800 rupees. In the second case, SP is given 840 and CP is given 800. See, CP is 800 but SP is 840. Here see, CP is greater than SP is greater than CP. When SP is greater than CP, then there is profit. जब भी हमारा सेलिंग प्राइस कॉस्ट प्राइस से ज़्यादा होता है तो वहाँ पर क्या होता है? प्रॉफिट होता है. सो प्रॉफिट, देयर इज ए प्रॉफिट. So profit equals to SP minus CP. SP is given 840 and CP is given 800. After solving this equation, we get profit equals to 40. This is the equation number 1. And we know that profit percent equals to profit upon CP into 100. Profit is given 40 and CP is 800 and into 100, 0 cancel out and 8 to 5 are 40. So profit percent equals to 5. So here is the man got profit and profit percent equals to 5. Okay, clear? The next question is, a shopkeeper makes a loss of 6% by selling a pair of jeans for 564. What will be his profit or loss percent if he sells it for 675? Question number 13 is same as the question number 11, 12. So question number 13 is the homework for you. Okay, this question number is homework for you. If you have any problem in this exercise, then you can ask me. Okay, clear?